Hi, I'm Damien Roy and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today let's do another theory lesson and work on what we call the order of the flats. So the order of flats is like the order of the sharps we've seen previously. If you have sharps, you have flats. There is a kind of duality in music that we find everywhere. So the flat is that little B lowercase symbol that is going to lower the note a semitone lower in the sound. So, for example, if I'm playing a G here on the 3rd fret, I want to play G flat. I'm going to play here. So this is G flat. It could be F sharp too, but depending on what key you're in, this is a G flat. Okay, so same thing here. If I have A, I want to have an A flat, A flat. Okay, so if you have keys with sharps, you're also going to have keys with flats. Lots of instruments like saxophonists, pianists, trumpetists, they're going to use a lot of keys with flats for the music. So how does it work? Remember, we've seen the order of the sharps. So if you have the order of sharps, you have the order of flats. The order of flats are the exact opposite there. So the flats are going to be si, mi, la, re, sol, do, fa. So you have to learn by heart just like the order of sharps. It's the, you're reading the order of sharps the other way. So si, mi, la, re, sol, do, fa. Si, mi, la, re, sol, do, fa. Okay? So how does it work? So to know the major key, take the second last flat of the order. We're going to start first with the exception here. If you have in the order, the first note would be a B flat. If you have a B flat in the key, you're going to be as a major key in F major, because that's the note that's going to allow F major to be a F major scale. If you write from F to F, you're going to need that B flat to respect the semitones between the 3rd and 4th note and 7 and 8. Okay, so here I have F major. If you have two flats now, so you're going to have B flat and E flat, I'm going to take my second last flat, and that's going to be B flat. So I will be, technically for a major key, in B flat major. Yes, it does exist. B flat major. I'm played from B flat to B flat, respecting the semitones between 3 and 4 and 7 and 8. If we have 3 flats now, so we're going to have B flat, E flat, and A flat. We're going to take the second last flat, and that's going to be of the list of the order E flat. So I'm going to be in E flat major. That was E flat major. Let's take 4 flats. So I'm following always the order of the flats, the list. So B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. So my second last flat is going to be A flat in the list here. I'm going to be in the key of A flat major. Now, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flats there, so we're going to have B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. We're going to take the second last flat of the list, and we're going to be in the key of D flat major. Now, if we have 6 flats, so si, mi, la, re, sol, do. So if we have to take the second last flat, it's going to be G flat. So we're going to be in G flat major. Don't say G major, but G flat major, because it's not the same key. Now, if we have all the flats there, so we're going to have si, mi, la, re, sol, do, fa. So we're going to take the second last flat, we're going to be into C flat major. So yes, C flat major does exist there. Okay, C flat would be like B major, but here we're with flats, so it allows us to have all those different major keys. So C flat major, here we go. That was C flat major. I hope you enjoyed this fun theory lesson there. Remember, you have to learn your notes on the neck. Know where the flats are. It's a game. You could work on your notes. For example, put on a metronome and try to find every second where a C is on your neck, for example. And this way there, you will find strategies to learn your notes and better understand the theory without following, for example, tab positions or things like that you can find in books or on the internet. Remember, I have a Patreon, so if you want to follow the, get the lesson and print it off, it's sometimes easier to have it on a music stand here, just to fully understand and practice it there. So check on the link in my bio or in the comments there of this lesson for the order of the flats. Have a good practice.